Assalamu alaikum girls. I am here to give you some guidance about the topic balance sheet question number 1, in which we have given on December 31st 2006 the ledger accounts of LG Electronics. First of all, I mention the name of the company over here, which is LG Electronics. LG Electronics balance sheet as on December 31st 2006. Then simply you have to draw a T structure of the balance sheet, the assets on the debit side and liabilities on and capital on the you can say equities on the credited side. Yes, now I will put assets on my debited side and equities on my credited side. As you all know, the assets have two types: the current assets and fixed assets. Simultaneously, at equity side we have liabilities. The liabilities again of two types: the long term liabilities and the short term liabilities. In current liabilities we have, you can say, all your payables, dues, accrued, outstanding. I'm giving you a little bit description so that you people will remind what you have already learned. Then if there is any long term liability, you put the heading of long term liability over here. The last heading is related with the equity section. Now I will mention all my current assets on the debited side and my fixed assets also on the debited side. Here we have office furniture. In the fixed assets, I have mentioned in the current assets the cash, account receivable, prepaid rent, bank, notes receivable, and I mentioned office furniture over here. Then I can see the building is also mentioned in the fixed assets. Then we have shop furniture also. Shop furniture is also your fixed asset. The life of the fixed asset is more than 1 year. Then we have drawings. Drawing definitely will be treated in the equity section. How we will write: capital less drawings, capital less drawings, add net income, and we will get the net equity or net capital at the end, you can say. Then we have another thing is merchandise inventory. Definitely this is on December 31st, so this merchandise inventory will be your closing merchandise inventory. If this merchandise inventory was opening, then we will not consider this. On the credited side of your question, we have accounts payable, bank loan and capital, and net income. Accounts payable, I will write over here. Accounts payable will be your 5,500. Then bank loan, long term liability, I will put over here. In the credited side, 11,000. Then in the equity section, I will mention, as you know, I put the heading capital is unknown, I put question mark over here. Drawing is 4,500, net income is 25,000, and you don't know the total equities and your total assets. Is this clear? What I did, I simply mentioned all the amount which is given for the current assets over here, and I also put the total, all the amounts of fixed assets also on the debited side. Now you can see the current assets: cash, account receivable, prepaid rent, bank, note receivable, and merchandise inventory. I put the values of all these assets on the debited side. Now I have to total the amount and write it down over here. Okay. Then fixed assets: office furniture, building, and shop furniture. What I will do, I will add all these three and then put one line and write it down over here. Now the summation of this and this will be your total assets. And remember, your total assets is equal to your total equities. Is this clear? I proceed further. Yes, you all can see that as I total the current assets and the fixed assets, my total amount will be 653388, which is equal to the total equities 653388. Here the amount of total equities is 65388. Now what we have to do, we have to calculate the amount of capital. Now you have to put the formula in the working to total capital or the capital start less drawings plus net profit is equals to capital at end. I will show you the working here. Now capital at start, capital at end. Now capital start minus drawing plus net profit is equals to capital at end. And now I will put the values over here. I put the value x over here. Drawing is minus 4500. This one is minus. Then plus 25,000 is your net profit, and your capital at end is 48838. Now the value of x is equals to 28338. This is your capital at start and the value of x. We can check by putting the values also. Simultaneously, another working I would like to show over here. Working asset is equals to liability plus capital. Assets we know 65338. Liabilities is 16,500 and x as usual is unknown. We need to find out this value, capital of x. X is equals to 65338 minus 16500. Answer is 48838. This is the another capital which we have already needed, that is your capital at end. When we did asset minus liabilities, this is our capital at end, and when we apply the account this equation, capital start minus drawing net profit is equals to capital at end. This is we will use for capital at start. Is this clear? Now we will put the value and check the balance sheet. After putting the values, I can see that my assets is equals to 653388 and my total equities is also 653388. My capital is equal to 28338. Drawings is 4500. Net profit is 25,000. Capital end 48838. Hope so this question is now clear to you. If you have any further queries, then do contact me. Thank you so much.